Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take care of your tomatoes and peppers. But before we start, let me just show you how everything is growing. So you see the beans really grow nicely here. And here we have some cucumbers. See, they're already blooming. And I also think there is already one cucumber. So here we have the beans again. And the cabbage as well, already very nicely. Yesterday was raining, thank God, because it was very hot before. Look at all the peppers. Already the blooms and already tiny peppers. So here we have the tomatoes. We're gonna weed all of this. I'll try to show you from this side. So we can now start. That I show you. So we're gonna weed all of this out, and especially here around the tomatoes, especially around them, because otherwise all the weeds is gonna take the water instead of tomatoes. So we put all the weeds out, all the line, and afterwards we're gonna go on tomatoes leaves, where we have to put all of this down, and I will just leave them there. That's why it's so important first to put all the weeds out, because the tomato leaves we can put it here all around. You see, also this one, all this goes away, and here, and we already tied them with some rope. So I'm gonna do now the weeding on all this line, and then I will show you again on some of the tomatoes how to put the leaves down. So we put all the weeds out. And now we're gonna, as I say, put all the leaves from tomatoes down, and I'll show you which one and how. So now as we weed everything, as I said, we put all these leaves down, and we're just gonna leave it here around the tomatoes. All this. See? All the small ones. And this one we have to tie. And we'll do this on the whole line. All this goes down in here. There are some and we're gonna do this on the whole line. Here you can see nicely all these that are yellow. We put down like this. You see it goes nicely down, and this one as well. So this is now it. We're gonna do this as well on the other side. So it's gonna be like this. So you see tomatoes are already blooming as well. And I'm gonna take care now all of this peppers and tomatoes as well. First tomato. And as I showed you before, the cabbage, peppers, some tomatoes still here. See, all the weeding have to be done. And beans, a lot of more beans. And cucumbers. Now I can show you a big difference. So here we have to weed everything. We're just gonna leave this basil, and then you can see now this one we put all the weeds already out and all the leaves from tomatoes as well. So now they're gonna get the whole water. Hey, have a lovely day. Ciao. Have a lovely day. Enjoy on your garden. Ciao.